That's what we got. White, black, electro, orange. That's the stamp shit. This is the shit. Got some decent quality. I don't know if y'all can see. Not bad, not bad. Come with these 2 pairs of laces. Look at the inside. Nike Air. (12/16/20) to February 3rd, 21. That's when it was made. But the fuck is this? Yeah, I don't know what the fuck that is. Got a glue stain right here. Let's get to the other. Decent leather. Like a metallic orange type of color up there. But what the fuck is this shit I'm saying? This pair got it as well. Let me know what y'all think. Leave a comment down below. Let me know how y'all feel about these early look. I think they dropped July 17th or something like that. Yeah, it's a cool early look on these shits. Let me know what y'all think. Let me give y'all a quick little on feet, and then we're gonna wrap it up.